Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Bitdefender Total Security 2020 on Windows 10. Type Bitdefender on browser search bar. Click Bitdefender. Click Bitdefender Total Security 2020. Click Download. Double-click the downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Install. Click Start using Bitdefender. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.